and welcome to my channel. If you enjoy this video, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and if you don't already do so, I'd love you to consider subscribing. Today I'm going to make a card for my niece using this Little Claire's Designs Rainy Days. I bought this from a Facebook de-stash, and it came with the bits and pieces, or the layers to make the card, and some project sheets. I am going to use this one here, but I'm also going to change the colours. So I've cut down my bits the same size as these ones that were in the kit. You also get a little peel off that says birthday wishes. I don't want that because it's not going to be a birthday card. Yeah, so I've cut down all my mat and layers for this. Then my image will go on that one, and on this one I will have the stopper with the Wellingtons. Now I've left that a bit bigger just so I can make sure that I fit the stamp on. It'll trim down a tiny bit, so you'll see a pink border all the way around. And the card is a easel card, so I've got that already. And the first thing I'm going to do is stencil on the background of this card with this John Next Door stencil. I'm going to use the raindrops, and I'm going to use iced spruce and picked raspberry as my colours because I thought they were the closest to magenta and grey that I could get. Right, so I've gone in with the picked raspberry and the iced spruce. So we've got those raindrops in the background, and I've got my piece of magenta card ready to glue down. And obviously I only want to glue this to the bottom half and hopefully central. So that will now stand up. And my next layer is this, like it's sort of a matte, but it is a bit silvery rather than grey, but you can see it's not Miri card because this is the Miri. I'm going to stamp the Wellingtons first, and I'm going to stamp using VersaFine Clair in the Nocturne, and then I'm going to put some clear embossing powder on and heat set it. that's my magenta rainy days card finished. As you can see, I just added some glossy accents to the end, so I put some on the puddle, some on her Wellingtons, the rim of her hat added a few blobs to look like rain on the umbrella, and then the other Wellingtons mean that it stands up like an easel guard. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and until next time, cheerio.